We're currently checking in at 54 degrees in the city of Charlottesville. Already down to 43, though, in Winchester. Pair of 4s in Hot Springs. 50 in D.C., 51 degrees in Richmond, and 50 right now in Danville. Looking upstream, northwest of us, they're at 47 in Columbus, 42 in Pittsburgh, 54 in Jackson, Kentucky. But our wind tomorrow is actually going to be coming from the south. So let's look south of us. 60 right now in Charlotte, 58 in Asheville, North Carolina, and 64 degrees in Chattanooga. So that's the warmer air we will tap into as we get into your Saturday afternoon, thanks in part to a brisk southwesterly breeze out in advance of our next cold front. That cold front is currently developing here across the middle of the country. We have a leading piece of energy moving through the northern Great Lakes. The main energy, though, is still back across Colorado, Wyoming, and Utah. And this will eventually sweep our direction. As it does so, it brings us a lot of wind tomorrow afternoon and evening, and then wind and rain tomorrow night and Sunday morning, and then mainly wind and colder weather as we get into your Sunday. So lots of changes here over the next couple of days. So let's time it out here on your Futurecast. Futurecast for the rest of tonight? No worries. Get out there and enjoy it. Tomorrow morning, middle 30s, clouds on the increase. Wind starts picking up from the southwest out ahead of that cold front. That wind definitely becomes more noticeable as we get into Saturday afternoon as temperatures climb very close to 60 degrees. Then after sunset, after about 6 o'clock, here comes that rain. This is stopped at midnight Sunday morning. And notice all that green on the map. Right now we're forecasting between 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch of rain. And wind, again, wind is going to be another big story associated with this cold front because it not only goes on throughout the day Saturday, but also continues into your Sunday with temperatures in the lower to middle 40s Sunday morning. Also, the Appalachian Mountains, yeah, they could pick up some accumulating snow, but here locally, none of that is in the forecast. And then Sunday afternoon, we'll climb only very close to 50, so not much temperature variation on Sunday. So the wind, I've been talking about it. Here it is, 10 to 20 miles per hour sustained in the lower elevations. Those of us in the mountains, 20+ mile per hour sustained winds. In the lower elevations, we could have a gust or two up to 35, maybe 40 miles per hour. In the mountains, we could have a gust up to 50, maybe 55 miles per hour. And on Saturday, again, that wind is coming from the southwest. On Sunday, it's coming from the northwest, and that's what's going to help cool us off considerably here in your Umansky Auto Group 7-day forecast with 60, our forecast high Saturday, and then only 50 for your Sunday. In all honesty, Sunday is probably going to be one of those days where the high is going to be around 60 degrees, but that happens around midnight, 1 a.m., and then here comes the rain. So those are afternoon temperatures you see on Sunday, and then 51 for your Monday. But as we look ahead to the holiday weekend next weekend, Thanksgiving, sunny and 53, 55 degrees for your Friday. So at least we're forecasting cooler conditions for Thanksgiving because I know all those ovens and stoves get warm, so you can actually open a window to help cool it off.
Yeah. There you go. Good call.
Perfect.
Thanks, David.
Yeah.
Well, turning an eye on